We about to prank our boy Dwayne and tell him, well, my house got shot. I got a straight bullet in it while I wasn't here. Everything's okay. So, but we about to prank him and act like we about to go get revenge. And we don't. I don't even know who did it. The cops don't know who did it. It was just some people, random people over here on some random type of stuff. But okay. But either way, we, he been gone all day, so he don't know what happened. We about to act like we going to take revenge, and we know who did it, and we about to see what he do. All right. You pulling up? All right. Where am I putting some leaders? You just stand right here. You stand right there. Yeah, no, that ain't gonna work. All right. I gotta get real mad and shit. I'm trying to get mad and shit. Yeah. So yeah, when he stop, when I got him looking at the wall, you can move out so the camera can catch him a little bit. This ain't going down. All right, make sure nothing loaded. Last check, nothing loaded. You know what just happened? The motherfucker in that movie. You heard about that shit in the movie?
Oh yeah. They do that shit on purpose.
All right, man. Don't laugh, man.
Hey, I'm just saying, you got a hole in your jump, man.
Yeah. All right, don't block it yet. Don't block it all the way. I want to get him walking in. I want to try to get him walking in, and then you block it. Because as soon as when I got him coming in, I was just having point going right up there at the wall. Yeah. Yo. Nah, man. Yo, look at this shit, man. Look at this motherfucker, man.
Wow.
Yo, no, we ain't fucking around. But yo, and Corey know who did that shit, man. Come on, man. Can you go with us real quick?
Let's go.
Huh?
You see?
Hell yeah, man. Fuck that.
Shit, you
Fuck
bullshit.
that.
You bullshit.
Here, you get this. Here, man.
No, nigga. You take the knife. You take the knife. You asked me to come with you. You take the shit. No. You asked me to come with you. Yeah, you asked me to come with you. So you don't give me no knife. When you ask me to come with you, don't give me no knife. You take the knife. Because you going to be behind me. Fuck that shit. Yeah. No, nigga. No. When you ask me to come, hey, when you ask me to come, you give me an option of what gun I want. Don't just ask me to come and give me a knife. Yeah. How you gonna ask me to come and give me a knife? Fuck that shit.
Hey, you a weapon, man. Come on, man.
No.
Come on, man.
It don't work
like
like
my back, man.
It don't work like that.
Artillery.
Yo.
Limited, Chris.
It don't work like that. No, you supposed to give me an option. As soon as I walk in the door, you supposed to say, which one?
Nah.
You're supposed to hand me the knife and say, come on, let's go get it. Hey, I couldn't think that out. I couldn't think it out.
Yo, I'm recording too. I'm recording.
Man, get the fuck out.
Oh shit.
Stupid.
Oh shit.